notebook? 4 clocks in any shape. Good morning, everyone.
Ma'am, in revision or
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Khush Desai, is this a revision going on?
Good
Is this
morning, ma'am.
good morning? Good morning. Khush, is this revision? This is not revision, my dear. This is related with the chapter 4 only. So we will do in the maths notebook, not in the revision notebook.
ma'am, can I take
Excuse me,
water?
ma'am.
Yes, you.
Ma'am, we have to do this in notebook. Ma'am,
Yes. Draw 4 clocks in any shape, whichever the shape you like. And only write the numbers, no, not the hands.
okay, ma'am.
4 clocks fast. Draw 4 clocks in your notebook with any circular object, with the scale or pencil, in any shape, whichever the shape you like. You think that this is your clock और आप अपने clock को कैसा देखना पसंद करेंगे? Got it, everyone? Draw any 4 clocks with the numbers only on it. No hands. Hands, I will tell you how to draw. Faster. Those who have joined late, again I'm announcing them. Draw 4 clocks in any shape, whichever the shape you like. Draw 4 clocks in your maths notebook. Write numbers in that clock. No hands. Navya, Bhakti, those who have joined now, please, I am repeating for them again. Draw 4 clocks in your notebook in any shape, whichever the shape you like for the clock. But always remember that opposite of 12 is 6 and opposite of 3 is 9. Then only you will able to write the proper numbers in that.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Like
right.
this, no?
Let me pin you. Yes, yes, very good. Yes, next child. Deep Patel, show me circular. Yes, now write the numbers. And when you write the numbers, please note that opposite of 12 is 6 and opposite of 3 is 9. Any other child who has completed drawing? Yes or no?
Ma'am, see, ma'am.
Yes, show me. Let me pin. Yes. But you have not taken proper circular object. आपने ऐसे ही टेढ़ा मेढ़ा मेरे जैसा ही सर्कल ड्रॉ कर दिया because
And
I
then it
don't have.
is too small also.
Yes, it is too small also. You will not able to put the hands inside. Okay. Now after drawing the circle, I am giving you some times to put it into these clocks. In first clock, you will put 6 o'clock. So now Meet will tell me. Meet, can you hear me? Meet, where will be the shorthand when I put the hands on this clock? And the timing is 6 o'clock. This in this clock, I want to show the time 6 o'clock. So where will be the shorthand and where will be the long hand? Meet, am I audible to you? Meet, आपको मेरी आवाज सुनाई दे रही है? Yes.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
So answer me, 6 o'clock में short hand कहाँ होगा और long hand कहाँ होगा?
Ma'am, the long hand will be at 12
Hmm.
and the short hand will be at 6.
Yes. Short hand will be at 6 and the long hand will be at 12. Children, आपके hands में differentiate दिखना चाहिए. Short hand short होना चाहिए. The way I have drawn here. And long hand long दिखना चाहिए. Don't draw
Okay,
both the
ma'am.
hands similar. दोनों similar hands नहीं दिखने चाहिए. You can see in
Okay.
my clock also the short hand is looking short, long hand is long. I will go to the next clock now. Now next question is from, wait, I will call the child name. Yes, Dhir Patel. Dhir Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The timing you want to show in this clock is 4:15. So where will be the, yes, 4:15. So where will be the shorthand and
Shorthand will be at 4
Hmm.
and longhand will be in between in 2 and it will be at 3.
Why 2 and 3? It is 15, exactly 15 minutes. So where will be the longhand?
It will be at right there, ma'am. At 3.
At 3. The longhand will be at 3.
At 3.
And the shorthand will be at 4. So children, please draw the hands such like that the differentiate is clearly visible. The shorthand should be, please mute your mic. Someone mic is, Dheer, mute your mic.
This mic is on. Ma'am, I make like this. See, ma'am.
Let me pin you. Yeah.
I
Okay. Please mark the timings also now. First is 6 o'clock. Second is 4:15. Now come in the third clock.
I've made 4
Yes.
o'clock.
Okay. Now put the timings also, my dear. Put the timings. First clock, 6 o'clock. Second clock, 4:15.
like this, ma'am.
Laisha? Yes, good. You can attach the work, okay? Now listen here fast. 2 clocks are done, everyone's. In the third clock, Rishik Bajaj will tell me. Rishik Bajaj, if I want to show the timing in the third clock, I will show here also when you say me, because it is not possible to draw here the third and fourth clock. So the third clock, the timing is 5:35. Where will be the shorthand? And where will be the longhand?
Ma'am, shorthand will be on 5.
Shorthand will be on 5 and the longhand will be on?
Ma'am, 7.
Now see, practically I will do. And then you will check whether you are correct or not. Exactly on 5 the shorthand will be?
No, ma'am.
Then?
Ma'am.
See, I will show you practically where will be the shorthand when it is 5:35 and where longhand you are correct that it will be on 7. But there will be slightly change.
Ma'am, can I say?
No, let Rishik complete first.
Ma'am, वो 5 और
Yes, speak.
मैम वो 5 और 6 के बीच में होगा.
Yes, it will be in between 5 and 6. See practically. Can you see? You cannot say this is 6:35 because it is not in between 6 and 7. It is between 5 and 6. So we read the before number. 5 को हम read करेंगे. It is 5:35. It is not 6:35. Here you have joined late. It is too late. We are doing today how to draw hands in the clock.
Ma'am, I was gone to eat, so I got late.
Now it is your choice that how you will do. We are drawing hands in the clock. I told students to draw 4 clocks in the notebook in any shape, whether circular or square. Draw numbers and draw the hands on them. Now, next child, Khush Desai.
Yes, ma'am.
Khush Desai, if I give you
Excuse me, ma'am.
6:45, wait you. 6:45.
Is the
Wait.
first time? Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, it will, ma'am, in 6:45.
Yes.
The shorthand will come between 7 and 6 and long
7 and 6.
between 6 and 7.
No, it is again between 5 and 6 में ही रहेगा क्योंकि अभी 6 o'clock बजे ही नहीं है तो it cannot move from 6 से नहीं आगे निकलेगा. When it is 6:45, then the shorthand will be between 5 and 6 and the longhand will be on 6.
Ma'am, if it's 6:45. 5:45.
Wait,
Yes,
wait.
ma'am. If it
Sorry,
will
sorry,
be
sorry. It is
5:45. Ma'am,
5:45.
yes, it will be 5:45.
Yes, yes. It is 5:45. So Kush was right that he was saying 6:45. The long hand, short hand will be in 6 and right, Kush. Thank you.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
Kush. Yes, you. Any confusion?
What was the third time?
Any time now you can take and make the hands. Just
No,
my
ma'am, the first time was 6, the second was
that is the example I
4:50.
have given you. Now you can take the example of your own.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you say the last clock number again?
Any, you can take any, just I'm just explaining you. These are the examples. You can take any number and show me that, ma'am, see this clock I have made and the timing is this showing. Okay? Clear?
Ma'am, I have done all like this my complete all timing only.
Okay.
Ma'am, see my. Ma'am, see.
Good, good. Okay. Can I move now? Yes. Now Dirg is done, Kush is done. Ahana. Ahana.
Ma'am, which is the last one? I done 6 o'clock, 4:15, 5:45, and the last one.
As I told, these are the examples. You can
Excuse
take
me, ma'am.
any time.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
After Ahana, can you ask me?
Yeah, I will ask one by one from everyone. Ahana,
Yes, ma'am.
8, 10. Where will be the short hand and where will be the long hand? 8, 10. Mic is mute.
Ma'am, the shorter end will be at 8 and the longer end will be at 10.
8, 10. 8:10 हुए हैं. 8, 10.
Ma'am, the shorter end will be on 10 and the longer end will be on 8.
But why the 10 number is coming? 8, 10. 8 means hours and the 10 means minutes. अब जब 10 minutes होंगे तो कहाँ पर होगा long hand?
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, in 2. On 8, ma'am. The long, 2 on 2.
Got it? On 2. My dear, if you say, can I say no, I will not ask. Mohammed, I will give you chance. Mute yourself, everyone. No
I'm
worries.
not asking for that.
Okay, then tell me.
Ma'am, I have this clock. Can I see and write it in the notebook?
Yes, you can turn it and make the different timings and write it in the notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Let me take the attendance for a minute.
Ma'am, we have to copy yours.
No, it is not compulsory. No.
Okay, ma'am.
You can make your timings in the hands, in the clock. Okay. Now my next question is from, wait, I've done with Mohammed Patel. Mohammed Patel, when it is 3:25, where will be the short hand? 3:25. Where will be the short hand and where will be the long hand?
Long hand is 3.
लॉन्ग हैंड तो मिनट्स को होता है. मैं 3 पहले बोल रही हूँ, मीन्स मैं आवर्स बोल रही हूँ. हाँ,
Short hand will be 3.
लॉन्ग हैंड विल बी 3 एंड द शॉर्ट हैंड विल बी ऑल्सो 3, है ना? रॉन्ग. देन
No, ma'am.
देन
Short hand will be 3.
but where will be the short hand? Short hand will be on 3, right? And where will be long hand? किससे पूछ रहे हो? मैं सामने देख के. आई एम आस्किंग फ्रॉम यू.
Asking.
टेल मी 3:25 में लॉन्ग हैंड कहाँ होगा? $3.25. 3 में short hand will be on 3. Then where will be the long hand? Yes, Kiana.
Ma'am, 3 5. Ma'am, long is 5.
हाँ, 25 minutes 5 पर होंगे, and the shorthand will be in between 3 and 4. जैसे ही ये 3:15 से पास होता है ना, एनी नंबर 4:15, 3:15, 6:15, जब क्वार्टर पास होने लगता है, क्वार्टर पास के बाद जो टाइमिंग है, अगर 3:20, 4:20, 5:20, 6:20 या 25 या 30, now you can see the shorthand is in between 3 and 4. It's not exactly on 3. धीरे धीरे जैसे ही वो 3:50, because on 3:15 both are on the 3, or when it is 4:15 the shorthand will be on 4 and the longhand will be on 3 exactly. but where धीरे धीरे जैसे ही वो move करेगा 20 पे 25 पे, you can see now the shorthand is also moving little bit, so it is in between 3 and 4 and the longhand is on 5, so it shows 3:25. Am I clear to you all? You also in my classes bring one clock every day, because as we are learning regarding clock, so bring everyday clock with you so that you can explore by yourself. आप खुद करके देखें practically, तो you will learn more.
But I have not this types of clock that we can change the timings also.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am, is this okay?
Yes.
And it says to change also, we can change the time.
Yes, yes. Now, next question is for Kiana. Kiana, how you will 7:30? Where will be the shorthand and where will be the longhand at 7:30?
The shorthand will be between 7 and 8, and the big hand will be at 6.
Let me check. 7:30 तक है ना, तो you can see this. See, it is not still move. It is exactly on 7. In little bit move किया है, right? And then it is showing the long hand is on 6 and the short hand is on 7.
I write in the answer in the clock. I write the
Now,
down.
children, those who have done these 4 clocks,
Ma'am, so means
can-
this which you showed in the clock, that means that it will be 7:31 now.
no, it was, I was showing 7:30 only. And yes, Bhakti, 8 o'clock. Where will be the short hand and where will be the long hand?
8 o'clock.
Yes.
The short hand will be at 8 and the long hand will be at 12.
Very good. Janya. 9:05.
Yes, ma'am.
9:05 timing हुआ. Where will be the short hand and where will be the long hand?
9 small will be on 9 and big one will be on 2.
5. It is 5 only. 9:05 I told.
Ma'am, I'll go to washroom.
Yes, go. 9:05. फाइव मिनट्स कहाँ पर हम लोग मार्क करते हैं?
Ma'am,
1.
Ma'am, can I drink water?
Yes, please. Hansel.
I also go to washroom.
Yes, please. Hansel, my next question is from you. Hansel, you want the grades from me or no? Priyag.
Yes, ma'am.
10 minutes to 10.
10 minutes. 10.
10 minutes to 10.
So,
Means it is 9:50.
ma'am, 9:50 or 10?
No, 9.
Ma'am, it's 9:50.
9:50. How you will show 9:50?
first the small hand will come on 9.
It will
Our
exactly
hand,
on 9.
no, our hand will be on the little bit middle of the 8 and 9 number.
9 and 10.
Yes.
And the long hand will
And
be on?
And the minute hand will be on 10.
Yes. You can see here.
Yes, ma'am. Like this.
Now, Yuk Surana.
Ma'am, can I?
Yuk
Yes,
Sukhana.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Quarter past, no, half past 7.
7:30 means 7:30. The hour hand will be between 7 and 8, and the minute hand will be on 6.
Yes. You know. So it will not between 7 and 8, it will be on 7, and the minute hand will be on 6.
Ma'am, but you said after quarter past
Yeah.
that the hour hand moves.
Started moving. Yes, yes. Started moving. It will slightly move, not much. थोड़ा सा ही हिलता है 7 से, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll show you practically here also. When there is 4:30, so you can see here the our hand slightly move, no, in between 4 and 5.
Yeah, ma'am.
Same like with
And the
7:30
7
also.
also will be like this only.
Same. Now next child, Varinya. Varinya,
Yes, ma'am.
quarter to 9. What time it is?
Quarter to 9.
Yes.
Quarter. Ma'am, it will come at 3. The
Quarter.
long minute hand will come on 3.
No. Quarter past हो जाएगा जब 3 पे आएगा तो
Ma'am,
long.
we can't hear you.
Everyone can hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
can hear you clearly.
Yes, ma'am.
Quarter to 9. If you put the long hand on 3, then it will become quarter past. Quarter to 9. Your voice is not coming. Your mic is mute.
Ma'am, the long hand will come on 9. And the short hand also will come at 9.
Yes. Next is Arnab Desai.
Yes, ma'am.
Quarter past 10.
10. The small one hand will come
Ex-
10.
Excuse me, ma'am.
You wait.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Wait. Let me clear with Arnab. Yes.
Quarter past 10. 10 से पास हो गया.
Fast with.
10. Small one hand will come on 10. And minute hand will come on.
Minute hand will come on 3.
3.
Yes, Yuk Surana, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, you said that quarter to 9 means it's 8:45. So the hour hand will be between 8 and 9.
Between 8 and 9. But slightly, many of the child know they observe like this. Now it is not between. Now it is more closer to 9, not closer to 8. It is more closer to 9 because 9 bajne wala hai na. Got it?
Okay.
Yuk Surana? It is more
Yes,
closer to 9.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, students, now we open the textbook, everyone. Page number 35. I'm going to present my screen. Open page number 35 in your textbooks. Can you see this?
Ma'am, 35, no?
Yeah, 35.
Yes, ma'am.
This we have done on that day, on the beginning day. Pamposh, no, we have not done in this class. Pamposh and Sajia, they were two friends, were discussing whose home is further from school. I have to walk for 5 minutes to reach school, Pamposh is saying. Then Shazia is saying, I just walk for 2 minutes to reach school. Then see what is happening in between these two. Pamposh saying, impossible. Your home is further from school. But the Shazia is saying, but I checked my watch. Am I audible clearly to you all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
But
ma'am. You are audible to us.
Very good. But I checked my watch, this girl is saying. I started for school at 7, and when I reached to school, the time is, the long hand is on 2. When I reached to school, the minute hand is on 2. So, couldn't be 2 minutes past 7? Is Shazia right or the Pamposh? Is Shazia correct? Students?
No, ma'am.
No.
She's
So,
wrong.
according, so what is the right time?
She's right.
Ma'am, 7:10 is right.
7:10 is right.
Is right.
7:10.
Yes. 7:10. As we know that from 12 to 1 when it moves 5 minutes, then 1 to 2 when long hand is moving 10 minutes. This way the 5 table will go. Then you are wrong. You reach at 7:10. Pamposh is saying, hey, can you see these lines in between the numbers? Yes, so what? The girl is saying, हाँ तो इन lines का क्या मतलब है? So what? Then Pamposh is explaining to her, the minute hand move across 10 lines after 12. After 12, if it is crossing 2 lines, means it has 10 lines, means it has passed 10 minutes. I start for school at 7 and I reach at 7:05. See, the minute hand moves across 5 lines. Then Pamposh is saying, I start the journey to go to school at 7 and I reach at 7:05. You can see now that the minute has moved from 12 to 1. Means it has crossed 5 lines. That is why the time is 7:05. It is not 7:1. We cannot say it as 7:1 or 7:10 or 7:2. Understood, everyone? The minute hand moves across 10 lines after 12, so it is 10 minutes. So this way you can see this. I start for the school, this already he had explained. Now, there are some pointers which I want you to know. Standard unit to measure time is, सबसे छोटी unit क्या है? Time की.
Second.
Seconds. Other units to measure time are hours and minutes. दूसरी units जो हैं time की hours और minutes भी हैं. 1 hour equals to how many minutes? 60 minutes. Half an hour equal to how many minutes? 30 minutes. And quarter equals to how many minutes? Quarter if we are talking 15 minutes. And 1 minute equals to how many seconds? 60 seconds. 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. And in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. So in 1 hour how many seconds?
60.
60 multiplied by 60.
Ma'am, 60 multiplied by 60.
No.
Ma'am, what is the question?
In 1 minute, 60 seconds.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And in 1 hour, there are 60 minutes.
3,600, ma'am.
Yes, 3,600 seconds. When you
Ma'am,
multiply
what's
60,
the question?
question was that, see, in how many seconds in 1 hour?
1 hour seconds.
Yes.
Ma'am, in 1 hour there are
3,600.
3,600 seconds.
Because in 1 hour there are 60 minutes, and 60 minutes multiplied by 60 seconds give you 3,600 seconds. Got it? And in 1 day there are 24 hours. There are 3 hands in the clock, which we already know. Moving ahead, these are the hands. Now we have learned how to read the time also. The table of 5 will go like this, and we always write the hour first and then the minute. Then we go to the next page. Yeah, this is your textbook page. Everyone open this page and tell me what time is showing in your first clock.
Ma'am, 12:15. Bittu
No,
is
no,
right.
no,
3
no.
o'clock.
No,
3
yes,
o'clock.
shorthand is on 3. इसमें ना clearly hands बने हुए नहीं है. So you this is the shorthand is on 3. So what time it is?
3 o'clock. Pinky
3
is
o'clock.
right.
Pinky is right. So tick Pinky. Tick Pinky, right. Then in the second clock, what time it is showing?
Ma'am, it's 7:25.
5:35.
Those who are saying
Ma'am.
5:25, wrong.
7:25.
Wrong.
5:35.
Go to the next.
Ma'am,
7:15.
7:15. 7:15 is right. Turn the next page.
Ma'am, only Pinky is right in this.
Yes. Turn the page. This clock is there given. Time is also given. Now you need to draw the hands in this. So first clock, where will be the shorthand?
Ma'am, on 3.
Only Yuk Surana is giving the answers. What about the others? Are they sleeping?
Ma'am, on 3.
Next and next here will tell me here in the first 2 clock shorthand will. I have already called the child name. Others, please mute your mic. Here the shorthand will be on 3. Where will be the long hand?
Long hand will be on 2.
Excellent. I will move to the next child. Wait, let me see the child name. That child will tell me the second answer. Till that, other students, please start drawing their hands in your books. Let me check the child name here. Bhakti. Bhakti, tell me the second answer. Where will be the short hand and where will be the long hand? Bhakti. Students taking too much time. I'm audible, no, to you all?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Clearly audible.
Yes, then Mir, you tell me the second answer. Where will be the shorthand?
Ma'am, the shorthand will be between the 6 and 7, and the long hand will be on 8.
Yes. Next child.
Can I say the
Yes, please. Which child is this?
Ma'am, Bhakti.
Yes, Bhakti, tell the third one. Please, little faster, my dear.
Ma'am, can I say second one?
No, second is already done. Third one, Bhakti.
Ma'am, can I tell the fourth one, Hana?
Yes, Ahana, fourth.
Ma'am, can I tell the 5th one, Yug?
Wait.
Ma'am, can I tell the
the shorter hand will become on the 2 and the bigger hand.
Wait a minute, my dear students.
The
Yes,
shorter
Ahana.
The shorter hand will come on the 2 and longer hand will on
See,
the
when
same.
I told no, when it is passed from quarter past से थोड़ा सा move होता है, then the shorthand will come in between 1 and 2, not exactly on 1. Oh, sorry, it will come between 2 and 3. Sorry.
2 and 3, how, ma'am?
No, it will be on 2. It will be on 2, yes. It will be on 2. See, I'll show you practically here. It was 240 or 220?
Ma'am, 220.
Yes.
Ma'am, 220.
Yes. Children, please start drawing hands in your textbook. And
Ma'am, I
on the
have
basis
drawn
of
all the
today's
hands.
and on the basis of today's concept, I have already posted the worksheet based on today's concept. You need to draw the hands in that worksheet. See, as I was showing you 220. Yes.
Ma'am is the opposite of the worksheet which is sent.
So can you see it is slightly moved from 2
Yes,
and in
ma'am.
between 2 and 3? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have
And it
done
is-
all the 6.
Yes. Done, everyone? The next 315.
Yes,
The short
ma'am.
hand will be on 3 and the long hand will be on
3.
3.
Ma'am, 3.
Next
Three.
735. Short hand will be on
Short hand will be on between 8 and 7, 7 and
8
8,
and 7. Huh.
7 and 8, and the long hand will be on 7.
Yes. So complete this textbook exercise till here. Same worksheet based on the same concept you will get. Thank you, students. You have to draw the hands today in the worksheet with the